All right, guys, today we're out at San Antonio RV looking at this 2021 Forest River Vibe 33BH. All right, guys, real quick before we get into the video, thanks for watching. If you're watching the videos and you're enjoying them, do us a favor, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Let us know what you'd like to see or what you think we could do better. What we're looking for is just some interaction between us and you guys so we know how we're doing. We want to do better, and that interaction, those comments and thumbs ups and subscriptions helps push our videos through the YouTube algorithm and get more people to join our community. So all right, let's get to the video. See ya. Looking at that, let's see, you got twin propane tanks, powered tongue jack, and a single battery on the outside with battery disconnect switch is right here. That's nice. Open up this storage, magnetic baggage doors, and a large pass-through storage. Aluminum framing, although it's smaller. To keep this lighter, it is aluminum, but you're probably going to have a little bit more flex in the floor. Furion 25 amp MPPT solar charge controller, so I'm sure there is a panel on the roof. Looking at this one, we're going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,630 pounds and a cargo of 1,795. Fresh water goes in right there. And cable slide on this side. Huge windows, lots of window. Real estate. In between these two slides, city water connection, black tank flush, outdoor shower, and back of the water heater. Got, looks like right here, your gray tank. Let's see, sewer outlet, wastewater holding tank, sewage holding tank. Nope, you got a black tank valve on the back side of that and a gray tank valve there. And then there's another outlet with a gray tank valve there. So 2 gray tanks, 1 black tank. 50 amp hookup right here. B&L square bumper in the back. So it's wired for a Furion backup camera, and it's got incandescent lights. Spare tire on the rear, cable and satellite inlet. Cable slide on this side of the coach, on the right side. Then we got power stabilizing jacks. Not leveling, but stabilizing. And there are the controls on each side for that. Again, these are going to be Castle Rock 15-inch tires with no upgrade on the suspension, but it is a wide spread axle, wide track axle that gives a little bit more stability. Outdoor speakers, looks like a fridge vent, back of the furnace, cable outlet hookup. Moving past that stuff, this door, which is going to open up to give us a fridge, small fridge. That's cool. Pull this out to a small kitchen. Not induction, because it says surface remains hot, so it's an electric but not an induction. Still a nice feature. All right, motorized step above steps, and the other side of that storage. Awning goes pretty much all the way across. Nice. Let's get inside.
All right, so when you come in to the right, you've got your master bedroom.
Yeah.
With a slide door. It has some little cubbies back behind the wardrobe there that has plug-ins and USBs, so that's kind of cool. where you can charge your phones or.
Right over in there. Very nice. Storage up above and beside. And CPAP shelves with plugs. All right. Very nice. Coming out of the bedroom, you're going to have the water pump, water heater, tank heaters. Comes with tank heaters, slides, controls, and all your lights and tank levels.
So the Vibe is labeled as a go anywhere kind of trailer, camp anywhere. Kind of interesting.
Yeah.
So it's very light. I love the color scheme that they have going on in here. There's lots of storage. You've got a big pass-through area here in your entertainment center. Has a DVD player, radio, fold-out couch. This has that Tuffex upholstery on it that's easy to clean.
I do like that.
Super easy to clean. A fold-out couch. It does have privacy shades. That are easy up and down. I do like the detail of the gas pipe rods.
Rods, yeah.
Curtain rods. So that's a nice little modern feature.
Absolutely.
You have an L-shaped kitchen with a couple of drawers. It's a nice pantry area that does have a glass front. You have a large area underneath the sink that holds your trash can.
Very good.
You have a farm style sink, a 3-burner cooktop, again a small oven, and drawer space underneath. Has a Furrion microwave.
And the same 12-volt fridge.
12-volt fridge.
You can see a lot of things that carry over because these are all Forest River units. So.
All right. This great dinette. It looks very comfortable. It also folds down into a bed. It has more storage underneath with these totes that pull out.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
All right, that's very handy. All right, and then you have a pantry area here that is pretty big.
It is.
All right, the bathroom is really nice. It has a very large
Got
shower.
a good place for the stool.
It also has a
poop in position.
It also has a slide curtain.
Oh, it's got the slide curtain as well. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's with the skylight in there. You've got plenty of room.
Oh yeah.
Lots of counter space and a medicine cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I love this bunk room. This is an amazing bunk room.
Wow.
Opposing
okay, so
slides.
This is the opposing slides.
Lots and lots of. You have 2 hanging wardrobes. Drawer space. 2 nice deep doors.
Yeah.
Wired for a TV back here.
Yeah, that's a big slot. That's a big room.
Mm-hmm. This is a really big room.
You
have three twin beds, and then the couch that you can fold out, and that would be a full size.
There's so much that you could do with it. Like this room is so open and unencumbered. I mean, you could put another like queen size bed in here if you wanted to, and take like one side of this out.
You can make it an
take
office.
one side of it out and make it into an office, and put a nice sofa or sitting area. If you weren't using it as a bunkhouse for kids.
This has a lot of versatility.
A lot of versatility because it's so open in the middle there. There's nothing.
And you have a solid door.
Oh, nice. Very nice. All right, guys. So this is the 2021 Vibe by Forest River 33BH at San Antonio RV. Why is it tracking me? So until next time, take care of each other. Love each other.
Make every moment count.
See ya.